channel. So today I wanted to do something a little different on my channel. So while stuck at home, I'm looking around and I'm like, what else can I do? So today I'm going to be doing, for the first time, resin keychains. So my stuff has just arrived from Amazon and I'm still waiting for a few more bits. I've ordered like some dried flowers, but I've got the basics, and in my salon I've got loads of glitter. So I'm going to make some glitter letter resin keychains. So I thought I would take you along with me and show you how we do it for the first time. Beginner's guide to doing resin keychains. I've never done it before. Let's see how easy it is. If they turn out good, I'm going to list them on my Etsy shop, sell them in my salon once I'm open. I think they'll be a perfect gift. And I've also ordered, but it won't be coming till later in the week, some coaster molds as well. So if these keychains turn out good, I thought the coaster molds as well, they'll be perfect little gifts. They'll be perfect for like nail art palettes. So without further ado, let's open the boxes from Amazon, see what we've got, and then let's get making some keychains. So this is the resin that I've got, the epoxy resin. I've got it in 270ml. I've got my alphabet molds, and it was a kit, so it come with some spatulas, some hooks for like the key rings, some little cups. I've got a little drill for the key rings, and they're the key rings there, so we'll come on to those tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just read the instructions for this, get everything ready, and then I'll be back. So what I've got in here, I've got resin A, and then in here I've got the resin B, and you've got to use equal amounts. I've just got a glass, and it says to pour. I don't know if I've even used enough product. Pour equal amounts in. So I'm just pouring that into the glass, and then you have to stir for 3 to 5 minutes. Right, so what I've done is I've put some glitter in my T for my name and some glitter in the G. So I've got loads of these bags of glitter. I seem to have quite a few, don't know if you can see, air bubbles. So I don't know if I've done something wrong there. So I've got a pin or needle ready in case I need to pop it. And I'm going to transfer it into this cup because I think it might be easier to pour. So I'm just going to do that over the bag. And then we're going to pour in here. Okay, it's time to demould them. It's been 24 hours, so I'm going to start with this tea. So I've got this little drill, manual drill bit, and it came with a load of little bits. So I've selected like a small one, because then I've got these keyring bits. So it's got the chain, it's got the little hooks, then it's got the other parts of the chain. So I'm going to use this and try and drill.